Hello, today we have Land Cruiser VXR.V8. So there is leak under transmission between engine and gear. So I have to open transmission. I will show you how to open. There one shaft, propeller shaft all over. I have one already. One is there back side. We also remove. There is wiring for transfer case. There is sensor, shifting lever, stun already. There is should vary. Disconnect oxygen sensor. One is there. This for valve body wiring, and there was valve. Should be open. They have bracket one here for exhaust. Need to open this also. Now it is ready to pull out. You can see there is valve. Now I have to open torque converter board. Torque converter board here is open already. Should be U-turn engine, and you open there. This is number 14. There is oil line. You can see there. It's going to oil cooler. Ah, there front side.
This one? हेलो
हाँ
जा रही है कहाँ जो है
हाँ. So now finally it's down already. Transmission. There is two bolt down, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 10, 10 mm. You can see, if you want only seal, you can remove only seal. But this Cruiser GXR-V8, we need to open all assembly because they have oring there. This is very important. If you change seal, it's very important. Should be you have to replace also this one and silicone. You can see there is mark for leak.